Ladies and gentlemen, this is the last section from the pre-security path, Windows Fundamentals. After this, we will begin another path. Now that being said, let's go into Windows Fundamentals Part 1. And we have the introduction to Windows. The Windows operating system is a complex product with many system files, utilities, settings, features, etc. This module will attempt to provide a general overview of just a handful of what makes up the Windows operating system, navigate the user interface, make changes to the system, etc. The content is aimed to those who wish to understand and use the Windows operating system on a more comfortable level. Launch the attached virtual machine. The virtual machine should open within your web browser. If you want to access the virtual machine via remote desktop, you can use the credentials below. Here we have the credentials to log in via RDP-IC. So you can use RDP to log into the machine, or you can just start the machine and use it. Accept the certificate when prompted and you should be logged into the remote system now. Note the virtual machine may take up to 3 minutes to load. Answer the questions below. Read above and start the virtual machine.